Hello and welcome to MakeMyNaksha.com. Today we bring you the design review of 450 square feet house, where the front width of the house is 15 feet and the depth of the house is 30 feet. Before watching the video, don't forget to like this video and subscribe our channel for more further updates. In this video, we will be discussing about the ground floor details of this house. It is a 1 BHK house where we have placed one bedroom, one common bathroom, living plus dining area, kitchen and porch area. Let's move into the house through main gate. The size of the porch is 8 feet in width and 8 feet 4 inches in depth. Stepping into the center part of the house through main door, in the central part of the house we have placed a living plus dining area of size 14 feet 4 inches in width and 9 feet 8 inches in depth. Alongside porch in the front side, we have placed a kitchen of 6 feet in width and 8 feet 0 inches in depth. A window is placed in the front side of the kitchen for proper ventilation. Moving further from the living plus dining area, in the back portion of the plot, we have placed a bedroom of 9 feet 6 inches in width and 11 feet 0 inches in depth. Alongside bedroom, we have placed a OTS of 4 feet 6 inches in width and 4 feet 0 inches in depth, which provides ventilation to the bathroom and bedroom through fresh air and can be also used for washing purposes. Besides OTS, we have placed a bath of 4 feet 6 inches in width and 7 feet 6 inches in depth. Thanks for watching the video. Don't forget to comment your views about this video below.